Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this old CCFL lamp to our LSR series LED kits. This is a 12.1-inch screen. It's made by Hitachi. It's made by Toshiba. The part number for the screen is LTD121C30S as a set. So this is LSR series using LED strip on the LSR aluminum foil, LED driver, and one wire adapters, also including one aluminum foils. For this particular screen, it's quite easy to replace it. As you can see, there's one screw was holding the whole assembly. All you need to just unscrew it, tilt it up, push this way, take it out. Okay, so this is the part number LSR. This is our LED part number LSR SB 44255X11R7 plus the wire adapter, which is MS534EST. Okay, we take it out, we make sure it's clean. So we're going to disconnect this end first. Basically, it's quite simple, show you. Push up, just like that. And then you need to, peel off this one, aluminum foil, push it up. Okay, make sure wire comes out from this side, yeah. And then you're gonna tip like this. Okay, just like that. Get a piece of towel. Then you're gonna add a piece of wire. I have a controller board here. We can test it. See how simple it is? You just remove the old one, take it out, and put it back. So I add a piece of tape here to secure the wires, and driver, wire adapter. I have a controller board here. I will turn on my color bar generator. Let's test it. We just put it in. I'm going to shut off the overhead light. Okay, so plug it in, flip over. See how bright is it? It's quite easy to replace it. Thank you for watching.